I was about to do that dumb turn thing. What's up, y'all? This is Groov again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know what? I should give y'all a name. Like a name. What am I calling y'all?
Belly buttons.
Belly buttons. Boom. Because I'm belly rolling. We'll talk about that later. But today I'm going to be making mustard fried chicken. It sounds nasty, but I'm telling y'all that thing off the hook. So I'm going to let y'all know how I season the chicken. I'm going to let y'all know how I make the mustard sauce thing. I'm going to show y'all how to fry a piece of chicken because people don't really be knowing how to fry chicken. So y'all come on this way. The seasonings I'm going to be using today is garlic powder. Why is it melting? Garlic powder. Because you know, we're on YouTube, so we got a adobo seasoning with pepper. Because we're not black pepper. Creole seasoning. This is a must-have. This or Old Bay. Okay? Okay. And this chicken flavored seasoning. Why is it chicken flavored seasoning? Addie, you can answer. Why are we using chicken flavored seasoning?
Cause it's for chicken, duh.
Anyways, come on. So we're gonna season it. Now, the way I season, I don't know, a lot of people, I be seeing people like dumb. They season this onto the chicken. Hold on. It's the dryer. Before I was so rudely interrupted by that dryer, we're gonna season some chicken. Alright, so I have a boneless, skinless chicken breast up in this bowl. It's already washed, already ripped the fat off because we don't eat fat or whatever in this home. So I'm gonna go ahead and season it. So I'm gonna start off with the chicken stuff. You don't want to over season it, but you don't want to under season it neither because don't nobody want no bland chicken. But unlike regular fried chicken, you don't have to season it too much because you also have the mustard and the sauce. I'm gonna show you how to do the sauce, but the sauce also helps with the flavor too. So and this looks like a lot, but chicken breast, bring it up here. Thick. Chicken breast is thick, and people be having the chicken breast, people all bland and stuff all the time, and I can't stand for it. I can't have y'all talking about me and all that other stuff. No, I can't. So okay, all right. So I'm seasoning the chicken. I'm about to massage this in, and then we're gonna do the sauce. Cool. All right, so we're gonna make this mustard marinade sauce, whatever. Okay, usually when I do, oh mind you, come look at my chicken. It's so seasoned. Look at it. Okay. All right. So usually when I make this is a marinade, I think. The mustard marinade. It's usually mustard, Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to say it. And hot sauce. So step one, pour that mustard in a bowl. You need a big bowl. Oh, okay. There we go. This is. I hate how this sounds. That's muy yuck. Almost these say nasty. That's my. All right. So you got your mustard. I ain't got no Worcestershire sauce, so we're just gonna rock with mustard and hot sauce on my mouth. Get all this mustard out. So I got the oil heating up too, so that way, hopefully it'll be ready to drop a piece of chicken. Alright, hot sauce. This is so you don't need the hot sauce in your chicken after you cook it. It already got it in there. I'm such an innovator. Okay, I'm really not. My mama came up with this. Whatever. I'm an innovator. Okay. So, alright. So I got my mustard and my hot sauce together. I know a little nasty, y'all, but y'all will deal. So what you're gonna do is, the way I mix it is I mix it as I'm putting the chicken in. If that makes sense. Like I don't, you'll see. So you put a piece of chicken in there. Like this, I'm gonna name, this is Bertha. This is Bertha. So what you do is you mix it or whatever and make sure it's all mixed around. My hands are clean and my grandma always said don't be afraid to get your hands up in here. So this is what this is. Ooh, God, okay. Making sure everything is all mixed together. All right, so I got my first piece of chicken. It is slimy, yes, Lord. Then you're gonna dip it in the flour. Well, not dip it. I usually use a plastic bag, and like I put it in a bag and shake it, and it's like full of flour. But you know that Rona going around. They say Rona sticks to plastic bags, and in this house, we don't play with Miss Ronisha. So yeah, we threw all those out. We don't. So let me see if this oil is ready. So what you do to check your oil to see if it's ready, instead of throwing water in it like I used to do and get my eyebrows popped off, you put a little bit of flour in there. And it fizz. I think it's ready. It should be fine because the flour did the fizzy thing. All right, and I have the oil on like a medium to medium high heat. If your oil is too high, you try to fry your piece of chicken. It's gonna cook the outside and not the inside. And I'm not gonna eat it because what you get from raw chicken, E. coli or salmonella. Either way, they could both get out of here. I don't got nothing to do with none of them. So you're gonna drop it in there slowly but surely. Okay, yeah, that's hot enough. Yeah, bet. And so I only had one bottle of oil this time. This is disgusting. Look at my hand. I would usually submerge it in like all oil, but I'm gonna just end up flipping it over. So I'm gonna do another piece just to show y'all one more time. All right, this is Eustace. All right, Eustace, we gonna get you together. Okay, one more. These big pieces of chicken. Lord. Alright. Lay Eustace down next to Bertha, and they can live happily ever after. Alright. So we're gonna come back in a certain amount of minutes. I don't know how long it takes to cook this chicken. You know, I do it by smell and by sight. When these hoes my bad. I heard y'all. When these hoes golden brown. Okay? All the way around. I mean golden brown, not like this kind of like brown, like brown. Taking things about it. So let's see. It's 6:01 now. Let's time it. I've never actually timed it. 6:01. Let's see how long it takes. So we'll be back. So y'all. The chicken is done. Not all the chicken, just the ones y'all gonna see. All right. So remember we put this in at, was it 6:01? Y'all, it was literally 30 minutes. I ain't even gonna hold you. But these are big pieces of chicken, so I think it was worth it. I'm not gonna use the time I'm gonna use it for. So I did flip them, so it was kind of like 15 minutes on each side. You can kind of poke them and feel the inside. These are done. That's nice. Golden brown, extra crispy chicken. Hold on. Get off of there. All right, get the other one. This one can use a little bit more. Dang. No, it's finished. Don't ask me how I do that fork trick thing to figure out when chicken's done. Ooh, a piece of skin came. Well, that's not really skin. The flour. I want that. We're gonna eat that, I think. All right, y'all. I'm gonna move this over to the table, and we're gonna break one of these up. So, let me get a knife. This is crunchy beasts. Addie, what are you doing? Oh God. She's cold out. Okay, make sure. Oh. Yes. Y'all, look at the steam coming. You hear the crunch? Look at it. It's not dry. It's cooked all the way through. Nice crunch.
Oh, it's good.
So, here, Abby. We're gonna close this thing out. Come with me. I'm about to cook the rest of this chicken, but then you have this mustard fried chicken. You've been cooking with Groov, episode 2. I just need y'all to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, leave a comment, turn on post notifications, all that regular YouTube jargon that I don't know all the words to. And I'm gonna finish the rest of this chicken so we can eat. But I love y'all for real. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm a holla.